Philippines, hello to the rest of the world. Today we are in Mall of Asia in Pasay, Manila, Philippines. Today we're gonna do a food vlog. We're gonna go ahead and explore IKEA. This is the world's largest IKEA. It is at 70,000 square feet and it is owned by a Swedish company. Let's go ahead, step inside, explore, see what type of delicious food they have. They have a bakery, restaurants, and plenty of shopping for your household needs. Or pasok loob. And you can see it is right next to SM Mall of Asia. You have the globe. And it's actually pretty cool. Looks like it connects from SM to IKEA. Here's where you can enter. Let's go ahead and step inside and explore what they have to offer. Alright guys, on the second floor of the Mall of Asia here in Pasay, they have Swedish Bites, like desserts and drinks. Go ahead and head on upstairs, check out the different restaurants and food that they have available. I see they have different Swedish restaurants. Go ahead and check that out, explore and try some of their delicious treats. All right guys, we're right here on the third floor. Swedish cafe here as well. Let's see what types of treats they have for you to enjoy. Some delicious breads. Look, all these ladies got this delicious bread. Shout out. Have a good day. So these ladies recommended to get some Spanish bread, which is over there. Delicious bread, good for your coffee in the morning. And I'm gonna try one of these blueberry Danish and this one. Oh, thank you. My assistant for the day. Oh, look at this. Oh, sweet. Oh, that blueberry. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to cut in. Turn over. Look at that, flies. Wow. What's a bun sauce? Spanish bread? Spanish bread. This is good in the morning with your coffee for breakfast. Ate, can I get one of your cheesecakes too? How much? Macano? 99? Okay, salamat. 338, okay. How's your day? Good? Oh, I like your tag. Why you have America and USA? English. Oh, okay, good. Thank you for letting me know. Maybe I should get that one too, huh? Because Taglish. 350. Salamat. 350. Yes, ma'am. Christine?
Your change, 14 pesos.
Thank you. Salamat. So you'll bring the cheesecake here?
No.
Oh, more is gonna prepare?
Yeah. We have paper bags on the other side.
Oh, thank you so much. You guys are like paper bags here.
Sorry, are you taking it out?
I'll eat it here.
Alright,
Yes, boss.
I put this to, what you call this, pork for that.
Go out there.
Thank you.
Have a blessed day.
You
know your name means love in Spanish?
Yeah.
Wow.
You guys
So
are
lovely.
from?
America, California.
Thank you.
Knows how to party. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Thank you. Right. Again. Oh, guys, but look at this blueberry cheesecake. Look at that. Insane.
That review. That official Majo Travel's review test.
That's really good cheesecake. Like kind of melts in your mouth like some butter.
See that butter?
Oh, that creamy cheese, the cheesecake. Cream cheese, that's what it is. Delicious cream cheese.
Wow.
And you get some of this little jelly right here.
Little jelly. It's like all the haters jelly. Wow.
There's some fresh jelly that they put on here as well. It's super good. Probably honestly one of the best cheesecakes I ever had.
The best cheesecake, guys. Only at IKEA. Only at IKEA at the furniture store. Get some cheesecake.
3rd floor, baby. At the Swedish Cafe. And the owner actually here is Swedish as well. So it is a Swedish owned store. Super good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this and then we'll do some more exploring. They actually sell this water here as well in IKEA. I don't know, I never heard of it before, but I think it's a Swedish brand too, I'm not sure.
It's that box water
Bio-based cap.
from the factory. Wow.
Purified water, baby. But it's actually pretty good, not bad.
What's the name?
H2O. Bam.
Hope box. Open a box.
Water. So right here you can actually get some vegan coconut ice cream for 10 pesos at these machines. I actually never heard of vegan coconut ice cream, but it sounds pretty good, so I might have to get one for 10 pesos. And you can get it right here at the Swedish Bistro.
Veggie dogs.
Like tons of different options here, guys. Hot dog, chicken, sweets. Plenty of selections to choose from. Drinks. They even have a bakery here as well. Tons of options to choose from. Alright guys, so I went to the counter, got this little token right here, 10 pesos, roughly around 17 US cents for some ice cream. And like I said, it's vegan coconut ice cream. Let's go ahead and try it. Wow. It is self-serve.
Wow, look at this guy. And Mr. Clarkson?
Put it inside. The cone here. Press the button.
It's that Japanese,
What the heck?
it's that little baby serving.
Oh, there's a baby serving.
For the little baby.
Little baby serving. I'm a baby today. Wow, wow.
One bite. Out of 10.
Yo, that's really good, guys. Holy crap, Maserati. 10 out of 10. We're here in IKEA. Pretty good though here. Finish this ice cream. We're gonna go ahead to the 4th floor and check out that Swedish restaurant and see what else they have as well. Alright guys, we're now on the 4th floor. Here's the Swedish restaurant. Let's go ahead and explore and see what cool options they have available to eat. Yeah, plenty of seating space. Let's go ahead and check out the food. See, they have tons of food here in the food court. Let's go take a closer look. As you can see, guys, they have tons of options to choose from, and it looks like a lot of different Swedish food. If you want to eat some Swedish food or these little desserts and treats, You can eat it here in IKEA Pasay, Mall of Asia, Manila, Philippines. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this back to the room and then enjoy it for breakfast. Hope you enjoy the video, guys. Take care. God bless. Much love. Peace, baby.